Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Let's solve another easy LeetCode question using C#. So today's problem is LeetCode problem number 13, that is Roman two integers. What you will be given is Roman symbols and you will have to find their total integer value. These are the Roman symbols that you need to take care of. There's our I, V, X, L, C, D, M, and their corresponding values are written over here. That is 1, 5, and it goes till 1000. So you will usually get their integer value from a Roman by adding those values. Let's say if you want to write 2, then you will have to use 2 i's, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. And if you want to write 12, that is x, 10, another I, another 2 i's, that makes it 12. But there are certain cases where the lower Roman symbols appears before the higher ones. In those cases, you will have to subtract those numbers. So here, I can be placed before V, that is 5, and X, that is 10, and their corresponding values are 4 and 9. Similarly, C can be placed before D, that is 500, and M, that is 1000. So we will reduce 100 from 500, that makes the value 400 and 900. So that's a lot of explanation. Let's write C# code now. Here, I have made this dictionary already because I don't want to type in front of the camera. So we will create a Roman map. That's basically a hash map. In C#, we'll call it dictionary. Dictionary will store a character and their corresponding integer value, and these values corresponds to the example we have been provided. So let's create some variables to store our result. So I will make the total first, where we will store the entire Roman values, total integer value, and I will also use a prefval that's gonna store the previous value of the Roman symbol. Let's set it to 0. This will be handy when we want to do the subtraction cases. Alright, so let's create a simple for each loop where C is the character in the string S. String S is provided when the program first starts. Now we'll handle the lower cases, that is if. Before we do that, let's create another variable that will hold the current value, that is the Roman map of C. Then we'll say if previous val is less than current val, what we'll do is we will add total with the current val minus 2 times of previous val. I will explain why we are doing 2 times over here, because on the else case, what we'll do is total is just a simple addition of current val. So let's say there's a case where I appears for the first time, it will land in the else part, that is we'll add the I value to the total, and next time on the current value if V comes, right? So in those cases we'll see what is the previous value. Previous value was 1 and the current value is V, that is 5. In those cases we will reduce the number. Let's say 5 minus 1 is 4, but on the previous, when the I first appeared, we have already added that to the total value. That's why we are subtracting twice. So once we are done with that, we'll set a new previous value that's gonna be the current val, and if we return the total, we should have all the results. Here we go. There it is. Alright, thank you guys for watching the video till the end. I hope the video was useful. And if you're still here, let me tell you about Gemini Credit Card. If you're like me, who is interested in cryptocurrency but have not really started investing in it, I think Gemini Credit Card is the way to go. When you use Gemini Credit Card, you will get cash back in form of cryptocurrency of your choice. I've been using Gemini Credit Card for a long time now and have received more than $300 in cashback, referral bonuses and all. And if you are interested, you can use the link down in the description, and you complete the step, you'll get $50 as a cashback, and I will also get a $50 cashback. Most importantly, this is not a financial advice, and if you are struggling with a credit card or consumer debt, please do not use the link. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Bye.